We're out here at Taupo. It's bloody windy, so the audio is going to be crap. We're here, staying here for 2 nights. Here with the family. We just finished swimming for 2 hours. Now we're sitting and having dinner. I got a roast. I'm just eating some pork crackling. These guys want some, but we'll just record, see what we do for the rest of the trip. Alright, see you then. Whakalofatu Makau again, here in Taupo. Just finished eating dinner. Man, it's bloody windy out here. Look at that, sunset. It's nice. If I can sort out this audio. It's pretty beautiful. Happy I'm not at work. I heard that they're very busy. Oh, missed my turn. Yeah, to all the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And for all you that are watching, thank you for watching. Keep going, gotta go. Whakalofatu. We came down to looking for the Huka Falls. We thought we could just drive here, but if you look here, it says 1 hour 30 minutes
by foot.
By foot to the Huka Falls. No way. So I do need cardio because I've been dying on the nipple courts, but I don't think I'm keen on walking an hour and a half with the kids. Might have to carry one of them. Might have to carry one of the kids on my back. So but man, it's nice. We might go to this thermal park now and then try and drive to the falls. Alright, to Philadelphia. Where there's no gym around, but we're in Taupo walkways, so I had to be, what's the word? Had to improvise. I'm going to show you what a muscle up looks like. This is a muscle up. Alright? That's one. That's what a muscle up looks like. Usually I can do 5, but like I said before, I put on an extra weight, so it's it really takes its toll. I think I ripped one of my lats. But all good. That's a muscle up, so it can be done. Probably end of the year I'll be able to do 10, but right now I can only just do 1. Thanks. Yep, we drove here. We made it to the Huka Falls. Look at that. Wow. See that? The family there? They walked from the where we were before. They walked all the way, whereas we just drove here. Look at that. Far out. It's cool. Looks very cool. What can I say about this? It's very noisy. Looks beautiful. It's sunny. I don't know where everyone is, but it feels like we're the only ones here. Whakalofatu. Yeah. Here on a different angle. I'm just looking at the water falling. And it's quite relaxing just watching the water fall. Just staring. Pretty cool. Just wonder how long that's been going for. It's amazing. Go and see what else Taupo's got, or Taupo. Okay, to Philadelphia. Whakalofatu. We just made it to the Prawn Park. And we got a family pass for 65 bucks. That's 2 adults and up to 5 kids. So yeah, we're just gonna go and see where we're going now.
prawn pocket.
We're gonna hand feed them, maybe.
Oh, we've got these screaming pipes. You scream into the pipe, and then the water goes out. Whoa, that's strange. All right, here we go. We're in the paddle, and these guys. I'm not sure where these guys got their driver's license from, but we haven't even left the side.
Can I swap a Mindy?
Oh. So yeah, we're just waiting. This is us. Go Dan. Go Indy. This is cool. I'm just hanging in the back. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Man, this is Prawn Park. It's awesome. Nice, sunny. I feel special just sitting in the back.
Oh, alright.
All right.
Oh,
I'm in the front now. Pedaling. Andy's driving. I just hope we don't crash. I just hope we don't crash now because we've got a lot of people on the waters, and some of them are kids that are in charge. So yeah, pretty tiring though.
Oh no.
See, I need more cardio. All right, we're on the rowboat now. I'm on the rowboat with this guy.
Hi.
He wants to row for us. Good cardio, good back workout. Wow, just a bit of unco though, rowing one of these things. There goes Ariana on this big wheel tricycle. Okay, we've been here for a while now. We might move on to the next activity. Hey, apparently this is the prawn park's biggest prawn. Biggest prawn. Wow. Here we're in the prawn farm. Hard to show you, but they're all in here. Apparently, the prawns like to rumble, eh? So they fight each other, they eat each other, they rip each other's limbs off. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a prawn there that he's got one arm bigger than the other arm. It's because he lost one of his arms in a fight, and it's growing back. So it's almost like Piccolo from Dragon Ball Z. He's growing back his arm. Crazy. All I know is, as one of the bros said, looks like they're ready for dinner. Bottom. That's the guy. That's the guy right there. Yeah, that's him. Mate, that's a prawn right there. Biggest prawn. I think he's from Hakupu, but man, he's massive. Sharks. Biggest prawn down here. So this prawn's lost its arm, eh? And that white piece that's a piece of prawn that he's eating. He had a fight with. Sheesh.
Possibly also the same prawn that tugged off his arm, but then he got rid of him and he ate it. That guy there, he's probably about 6 months old there.
Six months old?
Yeah, they're really fast growing. 6 to 7 months old. When they get to that age, they can't grow their arms back anymore. So if they get chopped off before then, they can grow their limbs back if they get chopped off. But once they get a bit older, about 6-7 months, they can't grow it back anymore. So they just have to stay with whatever stage of growth it's in. So if they've already half grown back one, for the rest of their life, they'll have one big one, one small one.
Yeah.
It's embarrassing for them, but...
But this, see this? Half a kg of prawns. You don't want to know the price. I'll probably just feed one person in my family, but all good. Look at where we're sitting. It's the Waikato River. Waikato River right there inside. It's nice and shaded in here. So yeah, can't wait to eat. We'll grab one. We'll just eat it like this, eh? Nah.
That's your one, that's your one. That's your one.
You can't eat it with a fork, you need to use your hands.
one?
No, you do it. I'm just gonna eat this.
Alright. Prawn restaurant finished.
I'm just gonna eat this first.
Back. This place, man, it's very fancy, very pricey. I'll hold my review on these prawns though. Better not to say something. There we go, look at that. Football. Hey, we're at the pulleys. This says how strong you are. This is how strong you are. Apparently this is 100 kgs to pull. Look at this. Look at that. Easy. So this one 120. Not sure what the point of this is, but this is here as well. Next activity, we've got to crack the code. So we got to pump this thing down here. Pump, and crack the code somehow. Swing time. Oh well guys, that's the prawn park done. It was awesome, good day, good few hours spent. Yeah, $65 for 2 adults and up to 5 kids. And yeah, there's lots of things to do. Restaurant, pretty pricey. But if you want a mean view way to eat, tō Tahamitaki a location, but tō Menakai, Huka. Okay, see you in the next spot. Wakaalo whātou, te mutolosi.